Hello everyone! Good morning. Jungbi just left for his first day back to work. I'm so excited for him. So happy. Yesterday they signed and everything was okay. Everything was as they wanted it to be. Yeah, but I'm just so excited. So right now I'm alone in the hotel room. I'm doing some editing since I have a lot of time to kill. I was just about to make some tea. I have peppermint tea. So yeah, I want to have a cup of tea and continue my editing. Basically yesterday after they signed, we just went to get some drinks and just to relax a little bit. It has been some tough months, so we just wanted to sit down, relax, and we all felt like now we could finally breathe. And we were relaxing for a bit just here in the room before we went out to get some dinner. I paid because I wanted to celebrate. Jobin is always paying, so this one wasn't me. We had a really cozy evening, but honestly, we were very tired, so we didn't really celebrate much. We were just having a cozy time together. Everything is new and exciting now, and they're working on finding a new apartment for us, and everything is going so quickly, and it's kind of crazy to be in the middle of all of this. It's my first time trying anything like this. I've only been living in my own safe country. Hi, Denmark. Emotions. It's going to be very exciting to try something new. Hopefully we will learn a little bit of the language and so on. I'm ready for whatever the future has to come, so bring it on! I will bring you along no matter what happens, so I'll see you guys later.
I don't want to kill people.
Well, we have to eat something, and we chose Subway is right over your head.
Sorry,
So Subway is no. What are you saying sorry for? You paid my food. I'm more than happy. Thank you. Hello. It's another day here at the hotel, and Jungmin just went training again. Second day back to training. That means that I'm alone. I was thinking today, basically the hotel is a part of a big shopping mall. So I was thinking about going and exploring a bit, visiting some stores, and I already packed my bag and I got some Korean learning stuff in there. So if I have time enough, I was thinking about sitting down, buying some tea and doing some studying. Since yesterday, basically all I did was editing the entire day. I was just sitting in here. So today I want to go out a little bit, walking around, moving my body a little bit. I think that's the plan for today. I'll show you guys how everything is connected here. It's kind of funny, like I don't even have to go outside of the hotel to go into the mall. So pretty convenient. So I could just walk down there in my pajamas. Maybe I should have done that. Pajamas and fuzzy socks and just being like really comfortable. But yeah, maybe tomorrow. So as you can see, I am all ready. I packed my big bag with a lot of stuff ready to study. So let's head out. And here we are, right into the mall. I can already hear the Christmas bells. Yay! It's so pretty. For some reason my Bluetooth stopped working, so I'm walking around again to see what Switzerland have to offer. Look what I found. And if we continue over here, they even have samjang, a lot of Korean stuff. 오빠? 안녕.
안녕.
We just had lunch, came back to the hotel room, and we are going to see apartment soon.
Our new flat.
It's going to be very exciting.
I'm very excited about that.
We are so looking forward to getting our own place.
Can't wait to move in.
It's gonna be good, but first we need to relax a little bit. And then we go in 45 minutes.
Yes.
Yes! It's a beautiful day. It's another day, one of our last days at the hotel. This is the shopping mall and our hotel is over there. I'm just enjoying the nice weather, drawing. I think Jungmin will soon be back here and then we're going to grab some lunch. It's been a little over a week now and so far we really like it. Everyone is so nice. Luckily everyone is really good at speaking English, which is such a big relief. We are very excited to get our apartment on Thursday, which is in 2 days. So we just got the keys and everything is settled and we just carried our bags in, but I will give you a room tour now. So here we go. Ta-da! So here are all our bags and let's just, cause as you can see the floor is very clean. So this is our kitchen. Then wonderful couch, and this is our view. Apparently there's like football pitch on this side and then tennis here, sporty. And then I'll show you guys. This is probably where I'm going to sit and edit, so perfect setup. It's going to be really good. And then last but not least, so tall, seriously. I don't know if it's easy to tell on camera, but the bed is seriously very tall. Here's the bed. This is me trying to sit down. It's too tall. Anyways, this is pretty much it, but yeah, it's small but good and I really like the style. Very important, closet. Hope there will be space enough. So that was the room tour. Thank you very much for watching Sille's room tour service. You're very welcome. This is it. We have our own apartment now. It feels so great to be able to say that. The plan now is that we're going to get a little bit settled in. We have some bikes we need to get later on today and do some grocery shopping because we need some food. That is the plan for now. I'll see you guys later. Only come out at night.